How can I attract leads online? One of the most commonest question that everybody asks me is, that's fine going on internet, but how will I get names? How will I get mobile numbers? How will I get email IDs? One of the very common questions. So in this video, I'm going to cover the three most important and the trending things happening in the industry for collecting the names, email ID, and the mobile number of the interested people. Let's go deep into it and understand. So, when you click an ad on the Facebook or Instagram, what is the first thing that you are looking forward for is an information that has attracted you, right? So, when you click an ad, what happens? If there is written free ebook on retirement planning download, so those people who are interested to learn more about retirement planning are the people who are going to practically download it. That means nobody else is downloading, but the educated people, education not in the sense of degree, but in the sense of those who are interested in my topic of retirement are the people who are downloading it. So now the question happens that if it is attracting them, that means there is some thought that is running in their mind. And if I focus on collecting, giving them in exchange value of name, email ID, and mobile number, there are three things that I can offer. Number one is a free ebook, number two is a free consultation, and number three is a webinar. If I'm offering something in value, generally in my training programs, I cover that is known as lead magnets. What is a lead magnet? Anything the person gets in exchange of he submitting with his name, email ID, and mobile number, that is known as lead magnet. So that's a good ebook. I will also share the link of one of the landing pages that we have prepared so that you can experience the same. That how do people click to an ad? By clicking that landing page, that particular details will be available on the description. Click that particular link, enter there, so you will understand how the entire customer journey happens. So why would they give you name, email ID, mobile number? Because they are getting in exchange. That is number one. That is a ebook. Now the second thing, after ebook, I can launch the same person with an offer of getting a free consultation. So if my offer is in sync with the lead magnet that I am offering, and if the client is interested, he will choose to book a free consultation with you. What is our major task? Our major task number one is to get leads. Number two is how do I generate appointments? So I want you to go through this journey while you are listening to this particular video so that you can practically experience the same thing. Now, the third most important lead magnet is webinar. Now, suppose those people who have missed fixing up one to one with you, what will you do? You will pull them to a free educative webinar. Now, if there is a lead magnet which is there clearly syncing up with one thought process, maybe either retirement, child education, marriage, planning, retirement plan, whatever the focus area that you want to focus with, free health insurance, all these things works. There are crores of digital assets available on internet. Just type out search free ebooks on retirement and you will find bundle. And once the person comes to that door and he tries to fix up an appointment, that's where you fix up appointment. And the third, those who do not fix up an appointment, you can always welcome them to a free webinar. Now, how do I conduct all this thing? I teach each and every step by step process in my training programs. So if you are somebody who has not attended any of my training programs, the link will be there in the descriptions. You can join my training program. First, it is 2 days of workshop, and after that, you have an invitation to, if you find this is useful for you, you can be my lifetime members. Now, let me understand. If suppose somebody clicks up an ebook, that has to be delivered also, right? So you will experience, once you are filling up the details, how an automatic email can be shooted so that you receive the ebook in your own emails. Now tell me, 99% of the advisors, they don't do this, and they feel that by just posting my Facebook images or my videos, I will get leads. My dear friends, you have to guide the process. If you just give an ad and if you do not guide the process of reaching to the store, nobody will reach, nobody will come to know, nobody is going to get in touch with you. And for that, you have to prepare a landing page that guides the entire automation process. Now, how do I do that? We have all the kind of facilities. You just have to first understand the basic strategy of how the online business works. Unless and until we are not sure how the transition of the customer journey is there, we will always feel no, it doesn't work. I want you to experience by clicking down the link on retirement planning. Just click and you will see the ebook coming to you, and that is automated. You are sitting at your place, I'm sitting at my place, I don't know, right? But you, if you experience this, you will come to know how the ebook is getting delivered to you. And just be patient. After that, the second page will come for the appointment. How do you really fix up an appointment? So you come to know the entire process, how it really works. And that's the magic, my dear friends. In today's world, you are in a position to pull prospects to that situation whereby you and the client, if both are with the same interest, then only you will meet. And that helps you to filter your time to only qualified and quality prospects rather than meeting everyone. Just comment in the comment box what is the learning that you conceive from this particular training program. And yes, at the same point of time, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click the link below, subscribe my YouTube channel so that you will be updated and upgraded the new videos that I'm coming through it. It's a challenging thing. Yes, it's a challenging thing of getting prospects online, but at the same point of time, there are several lead magnets that I teach in my courses. So most welcome for those courses. Just click the link and be there in my 2 days workshop as well as my lifetime membership. Thank you so much, and bye bye. Take care. God bless.